So it's been a while since you've seen the Nitro Stampede, probably close to a year now actually, but I did do a revive series on this. I'll put the playlist right there if you want to see this rebuild. This was in sad shape. I did everything to bring it back to life. So check out that little series, but I did do a final episode, which actually is not the final episode because there's one thing that's still missing that I never put on yet, and it's right there. It's the Easy Start. I needed to get some new parts for the Easy Start, so I got a new wand, a new one-way bearing or roller clutch, a wiring harness, and then I got the 370 motor because I'm going to replace the one that's on there, but I'm going to still use the stock gearbox for the Easy Start. And then here I picked up a nickel metal hydride, a gold bat, so let's get into it. Now, if you look in there, you can see this gear in there. It's right there. I don't see any teeth missing on the gear. So I think everything is okay. And I'll just keep this as a spare then. So I had the wires run through here. I know I'm gonna do some zip tying and try and clean this up, make it a little tidy. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. We have our ground wire here, which we'll probably put right there. And then this is for your glow plug. And then those will go on the motor because the motor will be sticking over here, right like that. Let's get this mounted first and then we'll worry about the wiring. I know the wiring's a little ugly, but it's done. Now I have my wand here. So let's test this out, see if we can get this motor to crank. All right, cool. And then to test the glow plug, you'll see right there, that little coil in the middle of the glow plug. When you touch the motor and hit the Easy Start button, it'll glow. See it glow there? All right, so the glow plug works. The motor spins. We just got to fuel this up and we're ready to take it out. So let's go. So we're all fueled up. Let's test it one more time. See if it actually starts and runs. I have to do a little bit of tuning because it wants to go all on its own right now. All right, it's time to run the Nitro Stampede, and I did try and tune it a little bit better and adjust the low speed and high speed needles, but I did notice one thing: I can't start it when the back wheels are on the ground, and also when I do get it to start, I can't put the wheels down and it just sits there and idles. The wheels want to spin. What I'm thinking is the clutch right in here, it needs replaced. I think the clutch is engaging and making contact on the bell housing there, and that's what's making the back wheels spin. And then also when I hit the brakes, I think because the clutch is engaged, it wants to shut the truck off as well. But let's get this thing running, get some nice action shots with it, and just have some fun with it ripping around here. So to start it, I'm gonna have to keep the back end off the ground. See, I hit the brakes and it wants to shut off. that's it for this video for the Nitro Stampede and installing the Easy Start. So much better now. I don't have to try and drill start it with a socket and the one-way bearing. But next video, we have to figure out what the issue is with that clutch and why it's engaging when it's supposed to just be sitting there idling. So click that subscribe button if you want to see some more Nitro Stampede content, and I hope to see you on the next video.